Hello, my name is Sarah de Rodriguez, Chief Speech Pathologist at Voice Science, Melbourne's premier accent reduction, voice consulting and stuttering clinic located on Collins Street in the Melbourne CBD. Today, I want to show you a really fun consonant combo that occurs in English. We are going to look at the fusion of k and t. Now, let's talk about the sounds on their own very quickly. K is formed in the rear of the mouth. It's kind of made where you yawn. K, k. Try that. K, k. Then, t is formed at the front of the mouth. The tongue lifts behind the top front teeth, holds air pressure, releases the pressure and creates an explosion. T, t. So we have two very explosive sounds that are fusing together to form like what we call a consonant cluster. Kt. So what you need to do to achieve these two sounds is to pull the tongue back a little bit, pop the soft palate at the rear of the mouth where you yawn, and then instantly bring the tongue forwards to pop the T. Kt. Let's do 5 sets together. It's such a fun sound, it kind of feels like beatboxing, and it's really important that the two occur. Kt, 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 kt. You'll feel like you're kind of ping-ponging the air from the rear of the mouth to the front. Now, let's take some words. This sound combination is very common in regular verbs that end with k. And the reason why is when we form simple past tense with the ed, we actually just need to explode the T, so we get this combo a lot. Kt. Have a listen to some of these words. Lock will become locked. To bike, when I make past tense, will become biked. To crack, like to crack an egg, will become cracked. To knock over something will become knocked over. To register shock will become shocked. And then there's a few nouns that will also just naturally feature this sound combo. So we have words like fact and act. I hope that you found this video really helpful. Hopefully it will assist you in both activating the past tense when it falls on a word that ends in k, the k sound, and also hopefully it just gives a bit more accuracy to daily life when you're speaking. If you have any questions about our services and how we work to assist internationals to increase their English clarity, pop on our website, thevoicescience.com, or head to our Facebook page, Voice Science, or you can also check us out on Instagram under Voice Science. My name is Sarah de Rodriguez, Chief Speech Pathologist at Voice Science. Have a wonderful day and let me know how you went with joining those sounds in the comments below. Don't forget to click like. Ciao.